You are wasting your cold emails potential. You could be getting 2 to 3 times more booked meetings with your cold email, but you're missing out on a few key steps. And in this video, I'm going to reveal 4 things that you can do to start unlocking the full potential of your cold email so that you can get more out of each email sent. And the first one is this: content creation. People have issues with cold email because they don't trust a random stranger reaching out to them and spamming their inbox. And the thing is, it's even harder now to trust these people soliciting when you Google their name or their business and they don't show up. You need to be creating content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, so that when people search for your business or for you, they actually find you and they can see a face, they can see someone who's actually who they say they are. This is a huge component of cold emailing that will help your conversions, because the more people can find out about you and validate that you are who you say you are, that you are a trustworthy person, the higher your chances are of them responding. So you need to consistently create content so that when people look you up, they will find out that you have an audience. They can see other people's comments or reviews about you. Creating content creates an audience that follows you, which validates you. In some ways, in this day and age right now, if you have a following or an audience, it's a way of validating for others that you're a trustworthy person. So it's a way for your prospect to validate you without ever meeting you. This will increase their chances of actually responding to you. Now, the second thing is you gotta create a follow-up sequence. The money is in the follow-up. I can't emphasize this enough. This increases your response and conversion rates because the more times you're reaching out to them, the higher the chances are of them responding and converting. Your prospect may have opened your initial email and forgot about it. They may have been busy. Maybe your email got lost in the 100 emails that they got that day. They could have just seen the subject line and not been interested. Who knows? The follow-up, though, is a way to get in front of the prospect more and increase your chances of booking a call, because the more times you get in there and give them social proof, customer reviews, or how you can positively help them achieve their goals and dreams or solve problems that they're having, the higher the chances are of them actually responding. Now, the third thing, you really need to get an inbox manager. And what I mean by this is, more often than not, it's not that your cold emails aren't getting replies, it's that you're not responding to your prospects fast enough. So if you're running hundreds of inboxes and you're overwhelmed with all the replies, you might not be replying fast enough, and so the leads that you are getting, they're going dead because you're not responding. I love to tell people that if you can respond within the 5, maybe 10-minute range of someone responding to your email, it really engages with them. You're in the front of their mind. I find that it's a really quick way for people to lose leads if they're not responding quickly. It's a hard thing to initially train because you got to check your inbox a lot. So it's very important that you respond quickly. This is a great way to engage with warm leads and then convert them into hot leads and then converting them into clients. Because when a prospect replies to an email, they are actually very engaged in that moment, and you will get more immediate attention if you can respond quickly. Many times I have lost leads and potential prospects because I didn't respond quickly enough, because I didn't keep in the front of their mind. Please take this into consideration. Now, I can't go without mentioning this. Instantly has an AI inbox manager that will respond to someone within a 5-minute period. So if you're getting those positive responses, you can turn on this feature and it will automatically respond for you. If you have an Instantly account, how you do this is you go to your settings under your profile, and under preferences, right at the top under AI automations, you will see an option for an AI inbox manager, and you can turn that on or off. The fourth thing, the last thing that I really recommend to help you improve your response and conversion rates is contact your leads on other platforms. The goal here is utilizing cold email to book calls. If a prospect responds, you can use other platforms as more points of contact. Now, some people, they integrate their campaigns to reach out to someone via cold email, then on LinkedIn. Sometimes they bring in cold calling. This is a way to nourish a lead and engage with them on multiple platforms so that you can find where they're actually responding to. And it's a way of a multi-touch impact, but it's definitely a great way to increase conversion rate. If you want to try out the best cold email software out there, all you got to do is click on the link in the description or just type in instantly.ai. Also, click on this video here to learn how to set up cold emails to get more clients in 2024. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.